paramount to us that we go through so many different scenarios of things that we can encounter with our exchange, because we want to be prepared and we want to have a long enough test phase for that. So for that, we have developed a system that is an innovation in itself again, and this will is the main reason why we have to upgrade the contract, and that is the new tokenomics. So right now the tokenomics are that we have a 6% tax on every sale, buy, or TX, so the transfer of the token wallet to wallet. So 2% of those 6% are the holder tax that will get distributed to everyone, and 2% are the marketing tax that goes into our marketing and development wallet, so we can keep the business running. And then we have a 2% auto burn. That means those tokens will get burned immediately. And with the new tokenomics, we will get rid of that burn, and we will create a burn wallet, so we can do manual burns. And we will include another 2% tax, though. So we are back to 6% tax. And this will be a LP tax, a liquidity pool tax. Of this liquidity pool tax, 1% goes to PancakeSwap, and 1% goes to another liquidity pool, a secondary liquidity pool that we will connect to our exchange to create a constant offer on our auction wall, where people can buy on the market our token in exchange for BNB. And those BNB will be used for one very important reason. It is so that everyone that uses our platform does not have to pay the BNB fee, the gas fee for transfers. And oh, thank you, the screwdriver. Oh well.
Exactly.
So,
yeah, and we want to create a very frictionless exchange, as we named it already, and that's why we want you guys to not be needed to pay the taxes for the exchanges